In this video, I'll show you how to get attractive more watch faces for free. I'll show you the easiest way to get attractive watch faces. So first of all, go to your Apple Watch and press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the App Store. In App Store, search for Clockology and install this Clockology app. This is a free app. And make sure you have the same app installed on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, open the Clockology app and here select faces, and here you will find lots of watch faces categories. Just like see, you can select any watch face from this video game category. Here you can get animated watch face. So scroll down to load more watch faces for free. So these all are completely for free, you can use. So let's search for a watch face to use. Maybe this one. Just download the watch face by tapping on the face. It may take some moments to download a watch face. At the same time, you have to open the Clockology app on your Apple Watch, and here wait until it's download. Once the watch face downloaded, just tap on sync. And as you can see, the watch face has been successfully applied to my Apple Watch. Let's search for a different one. So as you can see, lots of watch faces are available in this app. You can just tap on view all to load more watch faces in a specific category. Let's add this watch face. Tap on sync. Then go to your Apple Watch. And as you can see, the watch face has successfully applied to my Apple Watch. And now, whenever you want to switch your new watch faces, you can just turn on your Apple Watch and slide to the left or right side to switch between all of your downloaded watch faces, just like this. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.